right, folks. This Bedford Stuyvesant. We're here with the student. She's doing good though. It's been a while, yeah. Since I did listen with you personally. Yes. She's doing good. So we're gonna do a few left and rights and whatnot and see where she at on her progress. What I do here at Pierre Driving School, sometimes I do chip in within some lessons, make sure that I see the progress of the student. Some of them keep going straight. You're doing real good. Yeah, Bedford Stuyvesant. That's it. That's spot in Brooklyn, New York. We've done one already in Ocean Hill, which is not too far from here. But this one here's for Bedford Stuyvesant with one of our students. Look, keep going straight. She's doing good. First thing, you're not even looking to us. Jesus, like we don't exist. All right, so hey, so far so good though. You're keeping it together. Seriously. Yes, keep it straight. Keep it straight here. Right. At the corner coming up, we're making a right turn. All right. Yeah. If you guys like watching on this type of content, let me know in the comments below so we can have more of this coming. Until then, you're just being with Pierre Driving School. Stop in, beautiful. Okay. Make your turn when you're ready. It's a beautiful turn, but you know what am I missing here? A little bit of shoulders. Okay. For the purpose of the wood test, guys, whenever you make a turn, make sure you verify mirror and shoulder on the side that you're turning for blind spot. All right. Keep going straight. Turn is good, but without the shoulder for the DMV examiner, it means nothing. Because they're going to mark you up, fail to check shoulder for blind spot, use mirror only. They take a lot of points off. All right, we're going straight across here. All right, guys, like, share, and subscribe. Any comment put in the any concern put in the comment below. I can definitely address those comments for you as well. And if you live on those areas, we'll be more than happy with serving this area as well. Just go on the website pierredriving.com, and from there you can select a package or whatnot, so you can definitely help. We call in the area, we pick the student up on Bedford Stuyvesant. Keep straight, you're coming on the loop. We're going to shoot on the loop here, okay? Okay, very good. Keep it straight across, keep it going, doing real good. All right, we're going straight ahead. Good. Yep. All right, if you like, you could have picked up a little bit. You know what I mean? Yeah. All right, good. Yes, any question, please, as we go on along, still go with the question or whatnot, no issue at all, you know what I mean? So we just simply I'm doing this for the viewers. So most of the people asking for that. Here's all the behind the scene here, no cut, no editing, we just let it go through. Yes, to see the reality. Now what do we notice here? The light turn, the hands turn green, go, but the lights in red. There you go. We're going the lights, not with the hands. Good. Keep it going. You're doing real good here. Real good. All right. Keep in the middle. You took off to your right. For the purpose, you're driving on the one-way street, we keep to the middle. Otherwise, if we keep going left and right, that would be too much drifting. Then it's a problem, unable to keep straight. All right, guys? Always keep the middle of the street, all right? Very good. Oh, now you're showing off. That's good. When you stop, anywhere you stop losing the first white line, that's when you stop. You do not want to go above the white line, then that will not be too good for the water. That's why I'm saying she's showing off, because she's doing it perfect. I didn't even tell her anything. You guys can see that. You know what I mean? She's doing a thing. That's wonderful. Wonderful. Yes. Now this area called Bushwick, right? Yeah, but over there it's still on Bedford Stuyvesant. That's how you stop it. Yes, guys, like, share, and subscribe. If you have any question, you can put in the comment below. Let me know if you need more video like this to come in, because you're gonna have them keep coming. That's a new series we're doing here this year, showing those lessons live with the students, so you guys can see how we perform here and things that are to be in the lookout for as you're doing your road test or whatnot. Just being here at Pierre Driving School, you can share these videos with families and friends that can benefit from this. What are you noticing ahead?
There's a car.
Thank you very much.
So let's slow down.
Okay. Excusez-moi. Oh, I think I'm going to record all my videos. You still didn't do better on this video. What's going on here? That's good. Yes. Yeah, she said that right. You know what I mean? Slow down, see the car double park ahead. They call that, in the purpose of driving, forward planning your moves. As you're driving, you do not only see straight ahead, you have to forward planning ahead. See, keep going. See what's going on and adjusting yourself accordingly. She's doing very well on that. And you're okay with me sharing this video with the viewers? Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, of course. I see that. Good. Yes. And if you guys want to specifically know the result for this study, you can put it in the comment below so I can make sure that I let you know the progress on how she's doing. But for what I'm seeing here, she's doing very well. Okay, she's doing very well, and she have not yet done the road test. Am I right, Miss Small? Yes. Okay, she have not yet done the road test, which is good. I know for sure because she won't be with me. We try our best here. Keep going. You're looking good. Yeah, you're good though. You're doing good. Yeah. You see now she's giving me a lesson. You see, she was giving her a lesson. She's giving me a lesson now. That's good. Tell her to keep going. There's a pedestrian that crossing the street, but she did the right thing. But we just want to engage so those people behind us don't think that we just stop at a green light. You know what I'm saying? Yes, but that's a good thing what you're saying. It's drifting a little bit, bring it to the middle. That's correct. Keep it going. Yep. Yep. Bedford Stuyvesant, a little bit more to the left. A little bit more to the left. You took off to your right. You stop too soon. Make sure everybody can see everybody. So far, she's doing good. What I notice in her, she keep drifting off a little bit, which is a common problem for a new student. You know, she's not the only one, but she's doing good. She's so smart. She'll just like that. Yes, but that's the only thing I think she's giving me something to say, guys. Because you see, okay, let me make this old man here work a little bit. You know, get. I think so. You see, now she's keeping it together. You have to keep in the middle when you're driving on a one-way street. You don't want to be too off to your right or too off to your left. That will consider as drifting off, unable to keep the car straight. All right, guys. Here's a tip for you to be mindful of. Keep it going, beautiful. So all the way stop sign, first come, first serve. Okay, she was there first, then we're keeping it going, all right? Good. Any questions, folks, put in the comment below. Anything you want me to cover in particular, put in the comment below. I'll be more than happy to do so. This is Ben here with Pierre Driving School. We are covering today Bedford Stuyvesant, which is in Brooklyn, New York. So if you live in the area, you want us to cover you as well, you can check our website, pierrepauldraiving.com. We can definitely help you to get your driver license. We're serving the Brooklyn, the New York City area, but the tips are valuable for anywhere you're doing driving. Driving training for your road test in the United States. All right. So if any question you have for me, just feel free to put it in the comment below. I will gladly answer all of these questions. As most of our questions coming from the comment. Keep straight. She's doing good. Keep straight. The straight coming on the loop here. There is no need for signaling. Keep going. You're looking good. Keep it going. We're going straight across. That's right. You have more lesson left, right? Or this is it for now?
The last two.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You have a road test scheduled yet or not yet?
The 20th.
The what?
The 25th of January.
Oh, I didn't even know. No wonder why she's driving so good. Okay, today our last lesson, so I came in at the right time. Okay, I see what's going on here. Okay, I'm like, wait a minute, he's just sitting, he's driving too good. She has a wood test coming up, guys. Guys, they put in the comments below if you want to know how the result go. I will let you know. I'll have to let you know, specifically when the result coming out. She has a wood test coming up this month, right?
Yeah.
There we go. I was confused for a little bit. Wait a minute here. Just hanging out. I have nothing else to do but give it the instruction. Okay, that's right. She got a wood test. She been prepared already. She got a wood test coming up this month. You know what I mean? So okay, basically, that's why they send me out. Okay, good. All right, fair, that's fair enough. It's all add up now. Good. 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 Now you see all these goodies you're doing here. That's also good. But for the wood test, signal all of them. Okay, all of them. Anything for the purpose of the wood test, guys. Anything that we do contrary from going straight for the purpose of the wood test, you must signal all of your attention. You know what I mean? Anything that deviates you from going straight. Otherwise, whatever, all the things she done back there, every last one of them are good. But for the examiner, they want you to signal that. Let the people behind you know what you're doing. Remember, as we're driving, we are leading the traffic as well as we're being led in front of us as well. The only way people behind us can know what we're doing is by signaling all of your attention. In fact, one of the strong signals the DMV examiner will determine whether you're passing your test or whatnot is by signaling everything that you do. Because failure to do so, they will mark you off. And especially if you're not checking the shoulders, forget about it. Here in New York City, don't even bother. Go play yourself into court test. You will fail 110%. You see how smashed she got on me? I didn't have to do that twice. You see, she's picking it up quick. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, she's here to pass, but then that's what we want. Keep going straight on the loop. We keep pushing. Yep, now we're crossing Murder Avenue, which is still part of New York City, almost the border of Queens. Queens isn't too far from here, but we cover all this area as well. Here at Pierre Driving School, but originally the lessons take off on Bedford Stuyvesant area / Ocean Hill as well. We're going straight across, okay? Yeah. No signaling needed because we're going straight. Follow this truck here. Good. All right, folks. I'd keep going. At this instance, she didn't have to signal anyway because if she did, she would have been throwing the traffic off. Okay, fall back here to see what this guy is doing here. Let's go out to your right. Turn the wheel to your right. Keep pushing out. Beautiful. And you know what? There we go. Guys, I couldn't ask for any better than this. Okay, I couldn't ask for any better than this. Let's go. Beautiful. That is right, guys. Listen, oh my God. This is not my last one. I wish it was, but anyway. Yes. We're just hanging out. Yes, that's at this level of comfort you want it to be when you're getting ready to go for your wood test, all right? Good. And if there's still a little issue, but easy fix, of which we're covering as we go on along, which is the observation or whatnot. Besides that, she's doing very well. And let me know in the comment below what you think as well. Okay? Good. And she's been doing it with a lesson since last year. Am I correct? Yeah, because I remember I've done a lesson with her as well. Yeah. Okay. Well, she's within the right to be doing this good. At the corner here, right turn. There we go. You see, guys, she's getting on the shoulders. There we go. That was exactly my little worries for her. She's on top of it already. That is what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, guys. This is at the level you want to deliver when you're doing your wood test here with the DMV examiner. All right? This is at the level we wanted to deliver. Yep. Yep, guys. Now we're almost in Queens, Fresh Pond Wood, Brooklyn, but the lesson originated from Bedford Stuyvesant. Now we're in Fresh Pond Wood Depot, almost in Queens. All right, because a few blocks up to the left is the Queens from here. Did you know that? You didn't know that? Yep. I know. Yep, guys. At Pierre Driving School, here we cover all this area as well. Okay. Like, share, and subscribe. Anything you want me to cover, put in the comment below. If you want to know specifically how our areas all go, because she got a word test coming up next, so you let me know in the comment below. Until then, keep practicing. This been here with Pierre Driving School. Take care now. Bye-bye. I'll let you know how that go. Anything you wanted to say, or we good for now?
You're good.
Thank you so very much, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Share this video. This been with Pierre Driving School. Take care.